Hi guys, welcome to my new video here. Behind me you can see the iconic structures of Souq Waqif. This is located in near the Al Fanar Mosque. This is its own place because of its own beautiful characteristics. It's about the old Qatar heritage, but we are not about that today. Today we are about the Pakistani Mango Festival, which I'll show you from the inside now. It has lots of types of mangoes, which I will show you as soon as I enter. So let's move on to the next part and I'll show you how it's inside. I'll give you a detailed tour about this place because it has so many types of mangoes, so many types of refreshing taste, and the hot summer weather makes it better because it's something to cool you down, refreshing fruit. Guys, as soon as I entered, every mango caught me off guard. I didn't expect them to be this delicious. I tried some samples. All I can say is I'm buying mangoes after this. And even though I have sore throat, the ice cream is delicious. The guy kept saying in Urdu, once you eat once, you will come back twice. It's very delicious. Gives me vibes of Pakistan. The kulfi bicycle man. This is extremely delicious. Everything here is imported right from Pakistan. It's not only about mangoes. It's about mango kulfi, ice cream, dessert, sweets. Everything here is mango and other types of fruits and embroidery as well. There are also lychees here. Lychees are delicious. You open them, eat them, ripe, tasty. Everything here is ripe. Those are the lychees I was talking about. And the kulfi is 10 out of 10. Inside, as you can see, there are two layers. First is the mango, you could say juice type, and inside is the kulfi. Beautiful, absolutely nice ice cream. No? This is the best kulfi in the world. एक बार खाओ बार बार आओ यार वो कुल्फी आइसक्रीम मैंगो आइसक्रीम कुल्फी चाहिए कुल्फी 10 के ये 5 का मैंगो 5 पर मैंगो. So guys, as soon as I entered, all I can say, everything was mango. There were desserts mango, there were ice creams and kulfis as mangoes, and there are other types of fruit as well. It's not all mangoes. There are lychees here. There are also plums, apricots. Everything is here. As you can see, they sell it for a good price too, as they're freshly exported and extremely nice fruits, high quality and fully ripe. There are about 300 types of mangoes in this event. I mean, in Pakistan, there are a total of 1500 mangoes. Interesting fact is that the sweetest mango in the world is the Carabao mango, which is mainly sold in Philippines. If you're wondering why did I tell you what is the sweetest mango and why is it sold in Philippines, I said it because it originated out of my homeland of Pakistan, and we have the sweetest type of mango in the world, and the king of Pakistani mangoes are Chonsa mangoes, which is mainly sold. I mean, it's the most sold mango here. Every famous type of mango in Pakistan are Anwar mango, Sindhidi mango, Punjabi mango. Chonsa is number 1 on the list. There are also Badami mangoes. All of them are very nice and flavorful. There are lots of. Basically, this is a competition of which stall can sell the most. It's a collaboration with State of Qatar and Islamic Republic of Pakistan. As you can see, there are hundreds of types of mangoes here. Baby mangoes, everything. It's very nice. And the taste, I took a sample or two and it sent my taste buds into heaven. That's how good they are. As you can see, I told you there are hundreds of stalls and hundreds of types of mangoes. They're very soft, ripe, yellow. No mango here is green. I mean, few of them are, but mainly orange and yellow. That's how good this place is. As you can see,
Other than fruits, they sell desserts, even chutney, mango chutney, which I tried. It was sour and sweet. It had a bit of kick to it. Very, very nice. You get lots of, samples for free. Uh, you know, there are about many stalls, and you get diverse types of mangoes and food as well. I mean, it might trick you at first. You might think this is a mango stall, but no, it has every type of thing. So, guys, as soon as I entered this place, I'm coming out with ton of mangoes. Everything here is very high quality, lovely, and I'm thinking about buying some. Very, very nice. I like this place a lot, and lots of people have come here, and it's multi-diverse. Not even Pakistanis are here. I mean, there are lots of Pakistanis, but there are also Indians, Filipinos, Qataris, Arabs. Every type of people is here. Uh, Sweetest mango in the world. I suggest you guys to come to the mango festival in Suq Waqif. It's from 27 June till 6 June, 6 July. I suggest to come here and buy some mangoes because they're delicious.
सर ये सिंदरी मैंगो है अच्छा वाला, और ये अनवरी टोल चौंसा, दिस लंगड़ा फालसा, स्वीट एंड सॉल्ट. What is the price for this? 30 riyal. That is kilo, right? Yeah, 1 kg. जी, ये सब आलू बुखारा. This is last 6.
सबसे बेस्ट मैंगो कौन सा?
सबसे बेस्ट मैंगो अनवरी टोल एंड सिंदरी.
5 what kg or what? Huh? This one 8 yard, this one 9 yard. So this is kilo or what? Per kilo. Per kilo. So which one is? This is chonsa or what? What is the name of the mango? The name of this one is mango sindri. Mango sindri. Okay. And the other one, the last one? Mango badami. Mango badami. Yeah?
This is the taste test of the Chonsa mango. I like the smell of Anwar Atoll so far. The smell and the taste were good. So I'm going to try the Chonsa mango. The smell of it wasn't that strong, but I will try the taste. Explosion of flavor. This is the most phenomenal mango I've ever tried. I mean, the taste is definitely better than Anwar Atoll. The taste is very nice. So I would recommend, the Anwar Atoll for smell, and the Chonsa for the taste. It was ripe, sweet, and very nice. And prices here are good as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll make more videos like this. And one more important thing I said earlier in the video is that this, a festival of mangoes will start from 27 June and end at 6 July. So I hope you found that, I hope you found that important. And see you in the next video. And have a good day.
Yeah, no. One the Parabasi. So the tour schedule is set. How